Welcome to Daily Chinese. My name is Simon. I would like to teach you Chinese in a few minutes only. Today our lesson is number 1 to 10. Number 1 is E. Number 2 is Number 3 is San. Number 4 is C. Number 5 is U. Number 6 is Liu. Number 7 is Qi. Number 8 is Ba. Number 9 is Qiu. Number 10 is Xi. Okay, let's do the exercise together. I read again, you follow to me, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, last time. Follow me loudly, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Quiz time. I read below number. You write down in below comment. What is that number? Okay. 5 8 2 5 8 2 One more time. 5 8 2 Okay. Bye bye.